Alright, Master Designers, this guy is one of the most popular legendary Pokemon in the series during the Johto region saga. Tonight's episode, we're going to draw Raikou from Pokemon Johto Journeys. Raikou is one of the legendary lion Pokemon from ever since the tower that Ho-Oh was summoned to ask for knowledge. Three legendary Pokemon got reincarnated and made living, brought back to life. The only deal was we had no idea what Raikou, Suicune, and Entei used to look like. We didn't even get to see their original names and their original forms. If you ask me, Raikou sounds like a very powerful Pokemon, and well, I've got him in my collection. I'll show you him later, one of these days. Anyhow, finding Raikou isn't easy. In Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire, after you obtain Ho-Oh or Lugia, you must travel to one of the dens where Hoopa's magical discs are. And if you go to one of the locations on an island 3 times, you can either get Raikou, Suicune, and Entei with each visit. But catching legendary Pokemon can be extremely hard. Trust me, I've seen it happen before. After you get them down to lower percent, if you get their health bars in the red zone, and if you try to catch a Pokemon, it often shows back up. It often pops out. And really, it's really infuriating. Well, to some trainers, actually. My buddy Ty had a hard time trying to catch Cobalion, just like I had a hard time trying to catch Cobalion. Some people call it Cobalion, but I still think it should be called Cobalion. Cobalion, that should be this guy's name. Anyways, what other facts I've known about Raikou? Well, catching these legendary Pokemon, catching Raikou was a bit easy for me in Pokemon Ultra Sun and Moon. And, well, I'm still trying to catch him in the expansion pass. I have him in Pokemon Home. And known fact about Raikou is that he has these really powerful stripes. I haven't even noticed that before. There we go. Alexa, play Sonic Colors Ultimate.
Sonic Colors Ultimate Original Soundtrack Recolors by VA on Amazon Music.
You know what's really infuriating, you guys? The hardest Pokemon to catch of them all is Mewtwo. You think that's hard? Try catching Zygarde or Moltres. That was hard. Anyways, here's his Lightning Bolt tail. And done. And there he is. That's how you draw Raikou from Pokemon Johto Journeys. Sorry about that. And done. To find out more about catching more Pokemon and drawing a legendary Pokemon like this, wow, he looks like a Smilodon. Alexa, what is a saber-toothed cat?
Here's something I found on the web. According to fandom.com, saber-toothed tigers are an extinct kind of cat.
Alexa, what is Smilodon?
Smilodon is a genus of the extinct Mecharodont subfamily of the felids. It is one of the most famous prehistoric mammals and the best-known saber-toothed cat. Although commonly known as the saber-toothed tiger, it was not closely related to the tiger or other modern cats. Smilodon lived in the Americas during the Pleistocene epoch.
And there's the dinosaur fact, folks. One of these days I'm going to draw an actual Smilodon. And it looks like this Pokemon is based on it.